Okay, so great. So today is day one of ML. So actually, I'm building a project, basically, which is real-time eye monitor. So basically, it's a basic like if usually in future we will be working more on laptops and PCs, and we want our eyes to be healthy. Let's say so. If a person uses a laptop continuously for 25-30 minutes, so the this project basically this code will return to suggest to take a break. And if also let's say it founds you sleeping for let's say eyes closed for 5 seconds, then it will give a pop-up message to not sleep, the work is pending. And currently this is the work I have done. Let me show how it is working on streamlit uh, on local computer, using streamlit on local. Okay, so it's come on from. Let me change. I'm activating my virtual environment. Okay, copy letter path. Okay, my virtual environment is created. Just changing a directory a bit. Okay, so I am ready to run the streamlit. So here's my streamlit app.py. Great. Let's see how thing goes. Okay, so this is basically display or person can UI. I don't know what actual word for that. Okay, so I have taken like the user can give the input as like how many seconds the eyes is closed, you will call it a sleep. And the break interval, like after how many times minutes you would like to have a break. And this is a year threshold. Basically this is different for various users. Basically you can say a parameter for eyes. Basically it takes kind of a simple, in simple words you can think of a ratio versus the vertical versus horizontal. It's a kind of, it's different. Let's say for a person with big eyes it will be a bit different, for a smaller one it will be different. And when the eyelids are closed, then the ER ratio goes down. So basically that's a threshold to determine whether a person has kept his eyes open or closed. Okay, great. So let's start the monitoring process. Okay, uh, there might be an issue. I think I'm already recording this video, so maybe that's the reason why the monitoring is not working. Okay, I will upload a separate video for like screen recording to show that how this is working. Okay, I'm closing this. Let's remove that, no problem. Okay, so what I did today was this one. And the problem it is facing, that I have to adjustment of AR, because different person will have different AR. So maybe I can ask the user to adjust the AR, not adjust, because it is a like tech parameter, so they might face difficulty. We can like using this webcam, we can determine which AR will be suitable for them. One is this, and second, sometime let's say the user is looking downward, then the AR may go down because of the angle of the camera. So it might also arise some issues. Okay, and I have tried like working it, deploying it on web server like cloud, but I was facing some issues due to like dependencies like libraries issues. I will try it again. Okay. Oh, great. Ah, that's all for today. uh, it was nice knowing Streamlit. Everyone was what was Streamlit. Yeah, it's not difficult. Like hosting on, I have already hosted on local, and recording working on cloud. The same thing works. Okay, just let me. Yes. What is the thing for cloud? Same thing work for cloud. Go for free. Yeah, you can directly connect, like just push your project into GitHub and connect the GitHub to this like Streamlit, and then the app will be working. But I was facing some problems and dependencies like libraries, so I couldn't deploy it. I have to work it out on it again. Yeah, great. It was a good day. Yeah, this was the thing I mentioned. Uh, let's remove it, delete. Let's try to create an app. It's saying deploy from GitHub. Okay, it's mentioning the repo. This is the repo of Git I here. Branch main. I have to adjust the file path like code. Was my code. Let's try running it. It won't run because I was facing some issues. Okay, I will stop here. This is deploying. Okay, great. So that's all for today. Bye bye.